Greg has taken over, and he's going to make the Instant Pot cracked chicken. I think the only thing we didn't do was the bacon, right? We just omitted bacon.
We omitted bacon because we just didn't want to
mess with it.
So
how do you like doing this whole Instant Pot thing while we're traveling?
I love it.
Why?
You're eating good food, and you don't have to worry about finding a grocery store when you're on the road or eating out, which where we're at is really expensive.
Yeah, so we're estimating that this is saving us about $150 to $200 a day working out of an Instant Pot. Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Hey, so I'm making Instant Pot cracked chicken.
What's the website?
Website is Spicy Southern Kitchen. That's where we've gotten all of our recipes for this road trip. This will be the third meal we've cooked in the Instant Pot.
We forgot to film the what did we have? Beef. I think we took a picture of it. Or maybe we filmed a little bit of it, but we were just hungry.
The first stop we did beef and shells.
Yeah.
And we didn't film it because we drove pretty much straight through for 8 hours.
And we were tired.
And we had trouble getting into our first location.
Yeah. It doesn't want to come out.
Because I will wash my hands.
Okay. So remove your teeth. I'm working in a very
small area.
But it's still, you know what? Even if it's working in a small area.
Oh, it's still fine. It's just you gotta make. You can't do really multiple.
Yeah. Can't have two cooks in the kitchen for sure.
Okay, so.
And then we're using the cooler as a workspace too. So here, I'm gonna put your cheese on the cooler. There we go. And how do you think we packed? I mean, this is like, we're literally, y'all, look. I'm gonna back up so you can see what we're doing. There's Greg over there cooking. And we've used this staircase as our storage. Like, I mean, it's working though. So we pantry, all the Instant Pot stuff and all the utensils. And we'll go through here probably sometime this week. We'll go through and we'll catalog all this so you can see what we bring. We just haven't done it yet. And then we have our adult supervision is supervising very well. And we like to travel this way because it's very expensive to board the dogs. So this is just the way we like to travel. Okay, what'd you do? Sorry. I was showing the people the setup.
I put the chicken in.
Uh-huh.
And then the cream cheese.
Uh-huh.
And now I'm going to sprinkle ranch seasoning over the top.
Mm-hmm. What I've learned with these recipes too is, like, the instructions are so detailed. Like when we made that beef pasta, like, follow the directions exactly, because it gives you tips in there. It says if you stir this, this will happen. If you don't do this, this will happen. So yeah, they did a really good job on these recipes. Oh, sprinkle ranch. Yeah, 3/4 of a packet. Judge that. Ready, go.
5 ounces.
That's not a packet size. That's way more. So just sprinkle. Sprinkle till you know, measure with your heart. Okay. Greg does not like measuring with his heart. He likes spoons and cups.
I do, but I'm getting ready to ask. 1/2 cup of water.
Uh-huh. Do we have a... That's one thing we didn't do. We didn't bring measuring stuff. Hold on. We've got a pint jar somewhere. Hang on. Or a 1/2 pint. Hang on. So that's a 1/2 pint jar. So half of that is 4 ounces is 1/2 a cup. And if it don't look like it's... Well, that chicken's going to put off a lot of juice too, so... Okay. This doesn't look too hard.
Close.
Oh, where's the lid?
God, I got the lid.
You need the lid.
Okay, I see you always put your valve in the back.
Mm-hmm. Turn your... Yep. Keep... Greg is learning how to use an Instant Pot. I think he's coming around.
Okay. Set to high pressure.
Mm-hmm. So pressure.
Pressure cook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it automatically goes to high. That's just
and it's 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Be sure you turn the valve to sealing.
It is already. You have to hit start on this one and then take the keep warm off or it won't start. Oh, see, it turned off. It's okay. Just hit
Already?
Yeah. You got to hit the start button on this one. Some of them you can just let it go, not this one. Now hit the start button. No, that's delay start. We don't want to delay start. We want to start. Okay, start and turn the keep warm off. Okay. And we let that roll for a minute, yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Be
Do
back in a
quick
minute.
pressure release. Once pin drops, remove the lid.
Oh, so do we do a quick release?
Remove about 2 to 3 teaspoons of liquid from the pot and place in a small bowl to...
Okay, we quick released and the pin just dropped. So now we can, here, take this off. Ow, 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 ow. That is one sanitary towel. All right, let's see what it looks like. Take the lid up and then let it drain in the, yeah, there you go. And then the handle sticks right there. Little square part goes in the square peg. Square peg, square hole. Ooh, okay. Looks good. Cool. Take the chicken out. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Look at the salads he made, y'all. He's so good at making salads. There's literally nowhere to go in here. Here, go put it over here. Let me set it on the stairs. All right, there's good. Hit start. And it has to. Alright, so he did saute mode and he's stirring the cream cheese. Let me see. Stirring the cream cheese into the liquid. Oh, okay, cool. It said vigorously, so. That's what vigorous looks like. With a spoon instead of a whisk, because we forgot it. You don't think it needs a cornstarch? Well, then don't add it. It's just for a thickening agent,
Yeah.
I think, right? I mean, if you're happy with that, then what else do we gotta add?
That's it.
That's it. All right, well, we just skipped the cornstarch. That looks pretty good to me.
It's gonna burn up.
Yeah, you could. Well, turn it off. If it's too hot, it's too hot. So then it said add the chicken back in.
Chicken back in.
All right, here it comes. And then what does it say?
Sprinkle of bacon.
Okay, we don't have bacon. Then we need this stuff, right? Oh, you gotta break it up.
Well, it's supposed to be like
Shredded.
yeah.
Oh. Okay. Add chicken, cheddar cheese. All right, cool.
You're supposed to cut it on.
Oh, I was supposed to cut it.
No.
Oops.
When I say you, I mean the recipe. You're supposed to cut it when you took it out.
Oh,
Supposed to
chop it.
chop it on a cutting.
Oh, okay. Well, we forgot the cutting board too. So guess what? Doing it in the pot.
Yeah, I didn't mean you yourself.
Yeah.
I just meant you as in who's ever making the recipe.
We still good? I mean, you still don't think. Does it need more liquid? Is it too thick? Or do you think it's gonna be okay?
I think it's gonna be awful cheesy.
It's gonna be. I mean, I'm okay with awful cheesy. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. Are you just gonna sprinkle the cheese on top? Oh wow, that looks good. I say we sprinkle the cheese on top when we plate it.
Yes. Otherwise, we're just gonna
It'll just
cook up our
Yeah.
Instapot. There's no need
That's
for that.
that's a technical term, y'all. Cook.
Look it up. It's real.
Look at this real. If it's on the interwebs, it's real. Oh, that looks great, man. Okay, we're plating. We are plating. Product. There it is. Some salad with some homemade ranch dressing. Ta-da. Too easy. We look at our mess. We did good. We ended up with some leftover ranch, so we'll just put that in a jar and put it in a thing. As always, when you're on the road, no leftovers are the best. And we have our adult supervision, making sure Greg is finishing his plate. So there you have it. Instapot crack chicken minus the bacon.